Hi, I'm Paul Jolly, and today we are going to a face shield manufacturer and have a look at their production line, look at their paperwork, and see if they're ready to export. Okay, this is the face shield, and as you can see, it comes around to the side by the ears and covers the head, and nice and soft material on the head with elastic bands so it can fit any big heads. Face shield, direct splash protection, so stops any splash and can help people in the front line to be safe. Okay, we do the anti-fog test with a mirror. And it has elasticated and nice and soft here for the head. Very comfortable, very nice, very safe.